Good morning. This is an introduction for how to set up your composition notebook for daily grammar practice, DGP. So you should have your composition notebook out with a pencil, and you're going to use the very first page, and you want to label the very top of the page with DGP number 1. Notice under day 1, which is what we're going to be doing today, it gives you the instructions for what you do. Notice the next column says what to label for day 1. And then the third column tells you the resources that you can use. The marking guide offers you codes for how to abbreviate certain grammar terms. There's capitalization and punctuation help pages if you don't remember or would like to refresh your memory on those rules. And then the parts of speech help pages gives you detailed definitions and examples of each one of the parts of speech to help you with labeling the parts of speech, because we're going to do all of this today. Okay, so it tells you to write the sentence in your composition notebook. And here is the sentence. Everybody could listen to the Queen. Okay, write it just like I have it on the Google Doc here. Don't capitalize anything. Don't put any punctuation in. You want to write it just like that and put a number 1 out beside it, because this is day 1. After you've written the sentence, you are ready to add the capitalization and punctuation and parts of speech. Now, capitalization, if you want to capitalize a letter, then you're going to underline it 3 times. Put an underline 3 times under the E. Nothing else should be capitalized. And then you're going to put a period at the end, and I also want you to circle the period so that I can see that you added it. That's an editorial mark, so you're going to add the period and put a circle around it. And then for the parts of speech, these are the basic parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, participle, article. Those are your basic parts of speech. And so above the word everybody, you're going to want to put pronoun. So let's abbreviate it by putting PRO. Could is a helping verb. It helps the main verb listen. So you're going to put, instead of writing out helping verb, you're going to write HV above the word could. Listen is your action verb. That's what everybody is doing. Listen. Action verb, the code is AV. To is going to be your preposition. Label it by adding a PREP above the word. The is your article. The abbreviation for article is ART. And then queen is a common noun because it's not capitalized. And you're going to note that it's a common noun by putting a lowercase n above the word queen. And now you've completed what you need to do for day 1. If you need to review what I've said, please go back and listen to it again so that you can get the complete actions for what to do for day 1.